Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World, and this is where we do lovely recipes from around the world. Okay, today we are doing my crowd pleasing oven baked chicken, or you can call it roasted chicken. It is so delicious, it is so flavorful. Guys, come along with me and let's do this. So guys, to start, I'm using natural ingredients. Okay, I want it a little bit spicy. I'm using Scotch bonnet, some ginger, some garlic, some onions, some spring onions, and some herbs. I'll put all of them in the description box. The natural ingredients gives the chicken really lovely taste. I tell you, try it and you're going to love it. I've blended it nicely, and I'm adding some black pepper, and also I add some white pepper as well. Yes, I'm making this marinade and I'm going to put that on the chicken. So guys, it is so delicious, and I tell you, my chicken is crowd pleasing, so follow this and you're going to love this. I'm adding some salt to taste, and that's it, it's done. I also add some rapeseed oil as well, but you can use any oil of your choice. So guys, this is my chicken that I'm using. I'm using drumsticks. Okay, you can use any cut of the chicken that you prefer. I've washed it nicely. You can wash it with lemon or vinegar so that it's nicely cleaned. Okay, and I'm adding the marinade. I normally marinate my chicken the day before. Okay, I marinate it and put it in the fridge so that the next day, oh my goodness, the marinade goes really into the chicken and it tastes amazing. But if you are doing it the same day, you can just let it sit for an hour. That would be great. So guys, as you can see, yes, I put that into the fridge for 24 hours. So guys, this is the next day. I'm adding soya spice. You can get soya spice in any African shop. Okay, it's lovely. It takes your chicken to the next level. It's a bit spicy, so if you don't like really spicy chicken, don't add it. This is optional, but I love it. I tell you, it gives it a lovely taste, so try it. Right guys, I've arranged my chicken nicely on my baking tray, and I'm going to put that into the oven at 180 degrees for it to cook nicely. Right guys, it's halfway through. I'm just checking my chicken. I'm turning the other side so that it also get a bit of color. Okay, yeah, I'm using my hands. I'm used to using my hands, but you can use your tongues if you prefer. So guys, our chicken is done. Just look at this. It's so delicious and very flavorful. It took about 15 minutes, but it depends on how big your chicken is and also how you want your chicken. So guys, if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.